Consider replacing old bathroom flooring with a durable, water-resistant option that looks modern and cleans easily. Start by removing the old floor and inspecting the subfloor for rot or soft spots. If you find any cut-out damaged areas, and replace them with exterior-grade plywood of at least 3/4 inch thickness. Fastening every 6 inches along edges and 8 inches in the field for a stable base. For tile installations, use a cement backer board or uncoupling membrane over the plywood to prevent cracking and to provide a waterproof barrier. Spread thin-set mortar with a notched trowel matching the tile size, and use tile spacers to keep consistent grout lines. If you choose porcelain or ceramic tile, pick rectified tile for tighter grout joints and a larger format for fewer grout lines, which makes cleaning easier. Seal grout with a penetrating sealer after it cures to resist staining. Luxury vinyl plank is a strong choice for a half bathroom because it is waterproof, clicks together over many subfloors, and can mimic wood or stone without the maintenance. Acclimate the planks for at least 48 hours and leave a 1/4 inch expansion gap at walls. Waterproof laminate is an option where water exposure is occasional, but be careful at seams and around fixtures. Use waterproof caulk at perimeter joints and under the vanity to block moisture. For the fastest update, consider high-quality peel and stick tiles applied to a clean, flat substrate. Press firmly and roll seams to ensure adhesion, and choose a textured finish for slip resistance. Common mistakes include installing over a compromised subfloor, which leads to squeaks and tile cracking, so always repair or replace soft spots first and use proper underlayment. Another issue is choosing a product that is not rated for wet areas, which can result in swelling or delamination. Select materials clearly labeled as waterproof or water resistant, and follow manufacturer instructions for perimeter sealing. Finally, neglecting transitions and thresholds causes gaps and tripping hazards. Measure and install transition strips and allow expansion gaps where required. And use flexible waterproof caulk at trim and fixtures to finish edges cleanly. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for flooring and bathroom remodels, and lets contractors list their services to connect with nearby work opportunities. We also run an active discussion community where we share project photos, installation tips, product recommendations, and real-world experiences to help both homeowners and contractors make smarter choices.